In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have the Slack app added to a specific board in your Monday.com workspace, ready to streamline updates and keep your team in sync. Before we start, make sure you have access to Monday.com and the right permissions to install apps in your account. Begin on your Monday.com home. From the top of the page, look for the small puzzle-shaped icon. That opens the marketplace, which is where you add official apps to your account. Once the marketplace opens, take a moment to scroll toward the bottom area of the page if needed. This is where you can browse or search for what you need. If you don't see the marketplace icon, it usually means your account restricts app installations, so you may need an admin to enable access. In the marketplace search bar, type Slack. You'll see the Slack app appear in the results. Select it to open the app listing. You'll notice it's a built-in option, which means it's officially supported and designed to work smoothly with Monday.com. The listing page gives you a quick overview of what the integration can do, along with screenshots and details to help you understand how it connects your boards to Slack channels or direct messages. Now, click Use App. Monday.com will guide you through choosing where the app should be used. First, select the workspace where your team operates. Picking the correct workspace matters because it controls which boards and people will benefit from the integration. Next, choose the specific board you want to connect. Think about the board where status updates, task assignments, or notifications should flow to Slack. If you manage multiple projects, it's best to add the app one board at a time so each workflow stays organized. After selecting the board, confirm the choice by clicking the board name and then click Add App. Monday.com will attach the Slack app to that board. You'll then see an option to use template. Choose this to quickly apply a recommended setup that adds the integration framework to your board, so you can fine-tune it later without starting from scratch. That's it. The Slack integration is now added to your chosen board. From here, you can adjust settings within the board to match your team's process, such as which updates you want to send and where they should appear in Slack. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected workflow between Monday.com and Slack.